Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AJ Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you're enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best website for music artist who has started with the beginner. For more information, hold the video till the end. That's very great for you. Grab the opportunity, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Playlist Push? Playlist Push assists autonomous craftsmen with getting their music on non-Spotify marked playlists, and furthermore gives the capacity for playlist caretakers to adapt their playlists while finding new music. Playlist Push has set up an online commercial center for artists to get gotten with various playlist pitching efforts. How would I sign in on Playlist Push? The initial step is to access PLAYLIST-PUSH. The subsequent advance is to click on the symbol I discharge music. The third means to tap on Set up a campaign. The fourth stage is to must fill all the spaces. If you want to visit the site, link in the description box. How accomplishes Playlist Push work? 1. Once you have been acknowledged, you should pick 5 craftsmen to which your style is comparable. 2. At the point when the specialists have been picked, the class will show up. The amount does Playlist Push cost? The value goes from $150 to $1,000. It very well may be all the more relying upon the number of guardians for every one of those classifications. The normal value will, in general, be $450. How to get Playlist Push promo code? In the event that you need to get a Playlist Push discount, to connect the description box. Appreciate a 7.5% off on your first mission. How accomplishes Playlist Push work for custodians? Keepers are made up for every tune evaluated. The sum paid per melody depends on the measure of audience members you have on your playlist and your action. We decide this with our reputation score. Contingent upon your reputation score, your installment can go from $1.25 up to $15 per tune. Is Playlist Push genuine? Playlist Push doesn't utilize counterfeit records to encourage your Spotify development, yet rather cautiously vets their playlist custodians and will appoint distinctive rating models dependent on the number of audience members the playlist has, how dynamic it is, and how well the tune is found on its foundation. Is Playlist Push free? All missions are paid. Be that as it may, applying is free. All missions require installment. Be that as it may, it is 100% allowed to apply. What amount would you be able to make from Playlist Push? Playlist proprietors survey tracks shipped off them by capable non-mainstream craftsmen everywhere on the world. Playlist keepers make somewhere in the range of $1 and $6 USD for each track. There are 2 ways to start. 1. Artists. Advance your music by presenting your tunes to dynamic playlist caretakers. Flex pricing. Regardless of whether you make popular music or are an instrumental piano player, you just compensation to arrive at the keepers that will borrow your music. Getting picked up. We send your music to a focused on gathering of playlist caretakers. They survey your tune for playlist thought. 2. Curators. Find probably the best exceptional outside the box specialists and help them dispatch their vocation. Get paid to tune in and survey melodies. Get rewarded. Bring in cash by tuning in. Also, inspecting melodies. Find music. Find new music. By autonomous craftsmen. For your playlists, I hope you all are enjoying the video. You have 2 options to start as an artist or as curators. Start from today. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share and hit the bell icon. Leave a comment. Yes! Good luck.